Okay guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna talk today about the Dodge Challenger. We had some issue a few months ago on the fuel system. It was dirty, it was contaminated, and I never said anything to you guys. I never did a video or anything. So now the car is fixed, and the issue with the car was because the car have like 3 fuel pumps. It have two stereo fuel filters located over here underneath of the driver side. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the filter. So with that, the fuel system got so dirty, so the car wasn't performing right. So when you hit the boost, when you try to get the boost, the car don't respond well, so you're getting delayed, and that can get like detonation really wrong for the pistons and stuff. So the air filter residue cannot sit anymore because the fuel system was dirty. So that's why. So we're gonna talk about what we did to the car. We put new spark plugs, we cleaned the injectors, we replaced the fuel filters, and we changed the fuel filter down there. So we took the car to the SRT8 works. They fix everything. They changed the filters, the spark plugs, and we took the injectors to this company called AUS INJECTION over there, located in Tempe. And really nice people. We went there on Monday. We took the injectors. SRT8 will remove the injectors. They removed the injectors, and we took the injector to this shop. And one of them you can see right here. It was at 700 when the other one was 850, 840, 840, 850. But one of the injectors was doing 700. That was one of the issue. And later after the service, every injector was like 870. So it's performing really well. So now the injector is kind of like brand new. That's the old rubber seal or rubber gasket or whatever you want to call it. So those people are really nice, man. We went there today because of the injectors. Why I say they're giving us this for Lucas, and he's already did it, but he was playing with that. So really nice. I wanna just talk about it, just a short video, because many YouTubers, many people in the car community, they don't post that much. So they don't post the issues, what happened with their cars. They always post the good stuff. So when you own a car like this, we expect something like that happen. That's normal. That's a boost life. That's normal to happen. So I believe every year or year and a half, you have to change the fuel filters. You have to do all that stuff, because I'm using E85. The issue with the E85 contamination is coming from for the fuel pump. That dirty stuff inside the gas station sometimes goes to your tank, and if it goes to your tank, of course it's gonna go to the fuel pumps, and you have to go to the fuel pumps, go down there where the filter is, go in here, come here to the rails, and go from there to inside the engine. So that dirty stuff was what happened to the car, and that's the issue with the car. We didn't have that boost, so we had to drive like normal, because when you try to press the gas on it to try to get the boost, it's not performing well. And also we put a new serpentine belt too. Say hi. Say hi. How you doing? So we put a serpentine belt too. This the part number, just in case you have a 6.4 liter V8 with a Supercharged. That's the serpentine belt number part. So that was pretty much for today's video. It was a short video. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy. So just to let you know an update of the car. So you have a car with a E85, expecting do that maintenance, because it can damage your car. So you can damage your car if you have bad fuel. So now we're thinking, the shop SRT8 Awards. Tommy is a really nice guy, really good guy. Recommends to put Turco E85 for the gas. That's kind of pricey. I don't wanna lie, it's like $8-9 per gallon. But I think we have to go that route, because you know, when you spend too much time, too much money on your car, and you want to protect the car because you don't want to blow the engine. That's the thing we have. Maybe we're gonna go to that route to get the Turco 85. The car, I'm glad that the car is tuned by UMS Tuning in Mesa. And when we tuned that car in 2017, we did 2 tunes on E85 and Turco 85. And with that, we can use Turco E85 for race and E85 for daily driving. But now we're gonna use Turco 85 tune because we're gonna put Turco 85. So that was a quick update on the car, a quick stop by and telling you guys what's going on with the car, because many people on YouTube, they don't post anything. They always post the good stuff. They don't gonna post the bad stuff.